In a world facing environmental crisis, one company stands up for nature, for the future. We care.
Good morning, everyone. Please be reminded of our meeting with the CEO will begin in a minute. Fix yourselves and get ready. Good morning, ma'am. Morning. You will take your seat. Let's begin.
I was reading about the rising plastic pollution here in our province. Beaches and parks are getting worse.
Yeah, it's heartbreaking. What used to be pristine is now drowning in waste. What steps we can take as a company?
So let's lead by example, like reusable bags, container, and promoting responsible packaging. I'm actually developing a PM for smart sorting, also in system for waste.
I've started avoiding bottle to water. Simple habits really do matters. What if we provide stuff and reusable kits? Or implement a recycling station in each department.
What if we enhance it using AI-powered scanners to identify and sort recyclables? We can use sensors and also magnetic sorting. Wow, brilliant! Innovation with purpose. So how fast can we conduct this? And let's organize a community cleanup this weekend. It's not just tech, our hands make a difference too.
Perfect. And we'll use the event to promote environmental awareness on social media. Get people taking and inspired.
We could also invite students, volunteer, and eco group. Let's make it educational and engaging.
So a great initiative, team. Let's do it not just for business, but it is the right thing to do. Yes, CEO. So this meeting is adjourned. It's time to act.
Good day, team! As a WeCare family, today we stand for nature. Equip yourselves. Gloves, dustpans, eco socks, and boots are available at the booth. You may utilize ours.
Thank you for being here and making our plans possible. We are making the world cleaner with every plastic we take.
So let's remember the world won't change overnight, but with every step, we get closer. So let's start. energy and care can coexist. So the earth felt our love today. So thank you so much for your effort and thank you so much for your presence.
Together for a sustainable future, in our company, we care.
It's not just about business, it's about legacy. One action, one team, one planet.